Hey nature lovers, it's Nature Guy X46 and today we are talking about mammals. So, first off, we are going to be talking about what makes a mammal a mammal. And there are characteristics that make a mammal, and we're going to talk about those. So let's just go with it. So first off, what is the biggest thing, number one thing that we think of when we think of a mammal? We think of hair. We've already discussed that in my body coverings video. They may have a lot of hair. They may have just a little bit of hair, or they may have very little hair on their bodies. Some of them have hair only as babies. And that's perfectly okay. The other thing they have is they have sweat and scent, sebaceous, and mammary glands. And that mammary gland, really important because mammals give milk to their young. All mammals do this. They have a middle ear with 3 bones in there. They have 7 cervical vertebrae, and their pelvic bone is fused. Now, with that 7 vertical vertebrae, the 7 cervical vertebrae that I mentioned, not all mammals have that, okay? You're going to get, most mammals will have baby teeth that are eventually replaced by adult teeth. They have movable eyelids and external ears. So that is really important. They have 4 limbs. Now these may be reduced or absent in some, but the majority of them have 4 limbs. The whale, depending upon the whale, they may not. Okay? Bats, the wings actually are the arms. If you've ever looked at a bat, here is a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I think there's another one. But trust me. And they have fingers or limbs, and they have legs that they use for holding themselves upside down. So depending upon the animal or the mammal, you may or may not have I'm trying to get something out. I apologize for that weird angle. So whales may be so we're just going to go with that. Another thing that makes them a mammal is that they have a 4-chambered heart. Very important. Mammals have a 4-chambered heart. Another thing that makes them different is an excretory. Anyway, they have kidneys that open into the bladder. They have a highly developed brain. They are endothermic. They have a cloaca, which is present only in monotremes. So your echidna and your platypus. Sexes are separate. Internal fertilization. Eggs develop, Did I say external? I meant internal fertilization. There is a fetal membrane And of course, the babies are nourished by milk from the mother. So there you go. That is what makes a mammal a mammal. Thanks for listening, and don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you learned something from this video, subscribe so that you can get more really great videos, and click that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And with that, I will let you go.